Hi, this is All Things Property with me, Zamandungwa Khumalo. Here's how to choose an investment property. So you've decided that you want to invest in property, but you don't know where to start. One of the first decisions you're going to have to make is whether you're using a cash flow strategy or a capital appreciation strategy. The first thing that you want to do is to do your homework. Not only does it help in deciding what strategy you want to use, but you want to look at different areas and compare prices and really monitor some of the trends in the areas that you begin to shortlist. The second thing is to do the sums. Now, I know this is probably daunting. I know I struggle with it quite a lot, but you want to run the numbers. So things like how much is the property going to cost? What are all the hidden costs that go with that property and the overall running cost of that property? You want to determine what your yield is and what your margins are going to be of that rental property. The last one is to get pre-approved. Now that you've done your research, you've run all your numbers, and you're clear about what your strategy is, you want to make sure that you know just how much you qualify for. This will help you in starting shortlisting the right properties. For more tips and advice on all things property, visit our blog on www.builders.co.za.